Now that the SBA has begun accepting applications for the Paycheck Protection Program, a lot of sole proprietors, independent contractors, and self-employed individuals have been trying to determine whether or not they are going to be eligible for the Paycheck Protection Program. And I have the answer for you. First, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and that way you'll be first to know when we publish new content that will help you maximize the benefits you receive from the CARES Act and specifically the Paycheck Protection Program. Here's the scoop. Yes, independent contractors, sole proprietors, and self-employed individuals will all be eligible for the Paycheck Protection Program. Now, the applications for this aspect of the program do not begin until April 10th. So April 3rd, the SBA began accepting applications from businesses with employees. So businesses that have payroll and they can provide payroll documentation to be able to determine their qualifying eligibility and the loan amounts that they're eligible for. Starting April 10th, the SBA is going to open up these applications to sole proprietors, independent contractors, and self-employed individuals. The qualifying criteria to determine how much you'd be able to borrow is going to be a little bit different since you don't have payroll to base everything on. Instead, you're going to be able to add up your wages, commissions, income, or net earnings from your self-employment activities, all capped at $100,000, so the same as other employers on an annualized basis. And then you'll be able to borrow the same 2.5 times your monthly average of that income. Now, each lender is probably going to have some different details or a little different twist on exactly what documentation you need to provide in order to be qualified or be eligible for the loan. But you're definitely going to need the SBA application for the Paycheck Protection Program, which I'm going to provide links below. And you're also going to need to calculate this income in such a way to where it's clear. And I'm assuming most lenders are probably going to want to see a copy of your historical tax returns to be able to use that to reconcile or document what historical income you've made. Another twist on this is business owners with partnership structures. Now, if you have multiple partners or multiple individuals that are part owners of your business and none of them actually receive a paycheck through normal payroll channels, but maybe through a guaranteed payment or some kind of a disbursement, you're still going to be eligible to utilize that. It's just going to be capped at that $100,000 per individual, and you're going to need that same kind of ownership level documentation like a tax return or some other documentation like that, depending on your lender, to be able to qualify or set that baseline. Now, if you have any questions about what your lenders are going to need, please reach out to your lenders directly. They're going to be the ones that can tell you exactly what they're going to need for the applications. And if you have other questions on, how to prepare your application or other things in calculating how much you would be eligible for, we'd be happy to help. Transfigure is here to help advise and help business owners through this challenging time, and we're hoping you'll come out stronger on the other side.